rapid antigen kits to conduct COVID tests at home got a green signal on Wednesday, and the Indian Council of Medical Research, the nodal body in the fight against the virus, issued detailed guidelines on who can use it and how. The ICMR has made it clear that only symptomatic individuals and immediate contacts of the people who tested positive in the laboratory should use the home test. Indiscriminate testing is not advised, the top medical body said. All individuals who test positive may be considered as true positives and no repeat testing is required. All symptomatic individuals who test negative by rapid antigen test should get themselves immediately tested by RT-PCR, the ICMR said. The COVID self-trademark PathoCatch COVID-19 OTC antigen LF device was created by the Pune-based MyLab Discovery Solutions Limited. The home test should be conducted according to the process detailed in an app which should be downloaded from the Google Play Store and Apple Store, the ICMR said. The mobile app is a comprehensive guide of the testing procedure and will provide a positive or negative test results to the patients. All users are advised to click a picture of the test strip after completing the test procedure with the same mobile phone, the ICMR said. The data from the phone will be centrally captured in a secured server which is connected with the ICMR COVID-19 testing portal, where all the data will be eventually stored. The medical body also assured that patients' confidentiality will be fully maintained. The home test kits are expected to take some of the pressure off the laboratories. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel, click on the bell icon and never miss any update.